Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to unlink your Bitget wallet from Bitget exchange. Now, since the linking between Bitget wallet and Bitget exchange primarily involves sending cryptocurrency from your wallet to the exchange's deposit address, there's no persistent formal link to break. It's more of a one-time transaction. Therefore, unlinking isn't a direct action. However, you can take steps to ensure your assets are separate and secure. You need to log into the Bitget exchange account, withdraw any cryptocurrency you want to move back to your Bitget wallet or another wallet. Use your Bitget wallet's receive address as the withdrawal destination. Now, simply avoid sending any more cryptocurrency to the specific deposit address you previously used for the Bitget exchange. Each deposit to an exchange will create a new deposit address, so each transaction is its own separate event. For enhanced security, consider using different wallets for different purposes. For example, you could have a dedicated wallet for trading on exchanges and another for long-term storage. If you utilized a wallet connect feature and the exchange has a disconnect feature, then use that feature. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.